AI dancing babies are everywhere right now, and most of you don't even know how they are made. I'm going to be teaching you how to create AI dancing babies in a way that you can get it for free. In my previous AI dancing baby video, most of you complained they were not able to even try out creating AI babies because of the restrictions with Kling AI. Today, I'm breaking for you another AI tool that allows you to create AI dancing babies, and you can try them out for free. Millions of pages like this are pulling millions of views daily off of this format. But there's one thing almost nobody is doing in this form of AI format that if you do it right, you can really blow up. And if you skip it, YouTube is going to treat your whole channel as AI slop. I'm going to show you what that is and how to avoid it before this video ends. So pay full attention to me in today's particular tutorial. Hi, I'm Jayne, and let's get straight to the video. So the first thing in creating AI babies is we're going to create our character, and this character is so important in selling your story. You're going to go on Pinterest, okay? Open your Pinterest board and you're going to look for an outfit for your dancing baby. Do not copy outfits from other dancing babies that are already on. You go on Pinterest and search outfits. So my AI character is definitely going to be a girl as well. So I like this particular outfit. So I'm going to right click it and save the image. You can download as many outfits as you like for this your AI character that you want to create. So the next thing we're going to do now is to go on ChatGPT. Once your ChatGPT is opened, you're going to create the plus button and you're going to upload somebody that you want your dancing baby to look like. In this case, I want my dancing baby to look like me, and so I'm going to upload my image. I'm going to upload that outfit image that we just downloaded from Pinterest. Now, I have a prompt document with just 2 lines. So I'm going to copy the first one like this, and we're going to go back to ChatGPT and we're going to paste it. And we're going to press the send button. So my AI baby is created, and you can see that she's also in the same set that I'm in. So in case you want to change her location, you can just write here, maybe let her be in front of a church, or let her be in front of a mosque or in a stadium, anywhere you want her to be, okay? So these are dancing baby. I'm going to click this button right here, and I'm going to save it. So now the next thing you need to do is to get a video that has a dance step that you like. To do that, you're going to go on TikTok and just search like trending dance or something trending, and you see lots of dances that are trending right now. So going through this, I like this particular one. I like what she looks like. You see? So I'm going to right click it and I am going to download this video. Essentially what you're doing is you're going to have a video that has a step or a movement that you like. Then you're going to have your character that you like, and you're going to make your character copy that dance or that movement. Very easy. It's actually called motion control, okay? So now we're going to the third step of the process, and we're going to be using this AI tool called Magic Hour. Just click the link in my description. It opens up like this, and so you're going to go ahead and sign up. Either you sign up with your Google account or with an email address. It's going to ask you some simple questions. I'm just going to select, random things, and just click continue with a free plan just to test it. So once you sign in, they're going to give you 400 free credits, and these are welcome credits, and you can claim 100 daily credits. I'm going to click this today and I'm going to claim 100 credits. Now the more you use the tool, the more they're going to sprinkle some credits for you as well. Back on the interface of Magic Hour, we're going to go over and select character replace. That is the application we're going to be using to move the dance steps on the video to my character. So when you come over here, you're going to click Animate. I'm going to click over here and upload that video that we downloaded. And then you're going to click upload character image. And then I'm going to upload this character that we just created. Right. Make sure that your video is less than 10 seconds, because if it's more than 10 seconds, you won't have enough credits to generate it. And then you're going to hit create the video. I'm going to show you the final video, and when you come back, I'm going to tell you what you need to do to make sure that this kind of videos are monetizable for you. Look at this dance step, look at this, oh my goodness, they're always so fun to see. Yeah, maybe you dancing. Now to the pro tip I told you about creating content like this to monetize, especially on YouTube and other social media platforms, is your character has to be unique. That means she has to be the same character in every dance. You don't change your characters up and down. She has to be the same character, but you can always change her outfits. Okay. Number 2, she has to be dancing in different dance steps, not just the same dance step every single day or something that is too popular. And thirdly, you have to edit the videos. Okay, you can do a transition with it, like I did in the opener. You can do a mashup with it. You can make her come and dance with 2 or 3 other friends. Make her a dancing character. Hi guys, that's today's video. Until I see you on another video. If you want to learn more cool AI videos that you can make, I post videos here every Tuesday. Consider subscribing. Watch this next video before you go. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.